Yo, my name is Cass. Look, my real name is Brian. I would like you guys to vote for me as president of the anime club. And if I don't care if I become president or not, because I know I have a good vice president called Esteban, or should I say Estevina. Yeah, so if I become president, you know, I'll make so many changes. And my character is a character that is confused, basically. I think. Yeah, hey, Hayato Hitomi. My character is all about a guy that confuses, and that's process to me too, because I get confused every time. But yeah, I can improvise to make everything better. That's what a good president does. They improvise on what we should do, and I think that. Yeah, cut that.
Come on, you got this, you got this.
Well,
he's choking. No, Go.
Alright, but still, if I become a good president, I like help.
Okay, he just said my name about my baby. Alright, let's go back to this.
Alright, so if I want to be a good president, I hope you guys vote for me. Peace, Caps.